Alrighty, continuing on. So we have Palantar next. Alright, the good old Palantar, the one that looks like it's just begun. Okay, so we've been watching this support line here. This is pretty much your big boys buying. Um, you did have if you we brought over here on the volume, we had sorry. So this is what I love the most about it is this volume spike. And that RSI is curling as well. Sorry, I don't know what happened here. Okay. So this volume spike down here, doesn't it look like a very nice hammer with volume? I mean, it's right on support too. We've hit it. Let's see here. We're on the daily, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth day, we're pushing off of it. Um, Palantar, I fully do believe that tomorrow, I think we're at 170. I think it's a very, very large move coming tomorrow. Uh, very soon, I think we will fill some of these imbalances. I mean, this could easily hit 179 in no time. Overall, I think this setup is. Yeah, I went over to the macro setup on this. Let me look at the 2 month on it. There was a few that was really showing some love here. I mean, if you could just look at the months alone, this is there. I mean, we haven't seen a red candle yet, really. I mean, one down here, but anyways, um, this 205 is what I truly favor. Even if this stays down in this range for 2 more days, it's still a green candle, and this is that compression candle. Um, I do believe that Palantar is going to on a very big run here pretty quick. Just from that daily chart, I really do like that. Um, so if you want to look at like some levels, I mean, this is a big resistance line right here. This is why I think we could see this like 170. Um, Based off this, how it's already bouncing off of it, yeah, it's very very possible. There's imbalances. I mean, like I said, right here at 175 to 177. There's one here at 174, and it starts at 171, but right around this resistance line. As today you did break out of this upper range right here. This was the first day above the 159.80. If you look at it from a different type of box, give me one. So you had a, it was technically considered a break of structure today. So overall, tomorrow I'd personally like to see 170. Um, Main thing would be opening over 161.09 today, or sorry, 160.87 today's close. That would be the key thing here. But yeah, great looking setup. Okay, so we had PCG. Let's check this one out. So right off the bat, I've never looked at this one really, not too much anyway. Oh man, that's a pretty good looking setup. A little bit of inverse head and shoulders. Came back. What'd you do? You retested it. You haven't tried to break down yet. Let's look at the monthly or the. Let's go about the weekly time frame. Imbalance there. You're chilling. Typically on these spin candles, if you go down first, then you go up for the remainder. Um, doesn't mean that this could be an inside candle as well. It may need just a little bit of time, but if you start getting over 15.19, it's looking pretty good. Um, Main thing is staying above the 14.95 range. It's kind of a little bit of it's not the biggest of a range to pay attention to, but I mean, as long as this is holding in this above this head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulders, it's a pretty good look. You are below down here, so technically this would be considered a retest. So you got to pay attention to that as well. You're kind of in a brick wall on this one. Like you have a reversal, but then you also have a retest. Yeah, just be careful. Be careful with this one. Um, you want to start clearing. Yeah, probably clearing that 1526 because this was a breakdown without a retest. As you can see, that this is just now the retest. Upper imbalance up here. Technically, it was not retested, but it did have a little bit of supply. You're stair stepping. Yeah, just be careful on this one. It's an interesting look. Let me look at the bigger time. Yeah. I mean, you could even see 1932 with some time. it's not it's not out of the question. Let's check out the RSI. RSI is no divergence is really it's just stagnant. It's almost like accumulation, but it's not really. Yeah, the pops are getting over so quick as well. That is also a little bit concerning. Yeah, just be careful. Just be careful. Let me look at the volume one more thing. Yeah, that one's tough. Anyways, yeah, just keep an eye on that. The levels that I mentioned there. Okay, so VOYG Voyager Technologies. Let's check it out. You got some compression coming on here. I like that curvature. So yeah, this honestly looks like could have some little bit of power come in. I do like that. I do like that one. Possibly the 37 above. I mean, let's see here. You had a flag. Man, this thing has just gotten beat up, hasn't it? Let me take that down. There's not enough chart there. Oh, I love this type of look right here. Yeah, that one's a strong. I like that. You also have a daily retest up here. Technically, it'd be the box. Breakdown, no test, kept on. Yeah, this could easily 37, 38 bucks. I like it. I like it. Main thing would be not losing under 30. That would be a different story. Okay. RKLB. Ooh, nice. Nice flag here. I do like that. I'm not the biggest on flags just because it's not even, it's a janky ass flag, honestly. Yeah, we're just going to leave it there. So this is going to be when you step in like a weekly time frame. That 5 days pretty good. I would like continuation to 49 or pretty much 50 right on the dot. So within the next 2 days and 20 hours, you would want to see at least 50. That would give you, hey, this is probably going to continue. You do have a little bit of an imbalance down below. So if you don't end up filling over 50, then you will come back to retest this $44 to $45 level. So main thing, end of week, getting over 50. That's going to be the key here. It's a great looking setup as long as this can get it. With the market strength that we're kind of expecting going into tomorrow, I think you'd be good on this one. Nice looking setup, nice inverse head and shoulders here. I like that. Nice. All right. Give me 1 second. We'll continue with the next video.